The National Electrical Code does not specify a maximum distance for an electrical panel from the point of entry. However, local codes and interpretations may vary. The term reasonable distance is often used to determine the acceptability of a panel's location. This interpretation considers factors such as ease of access, safety, and convenience for the occupants. In situations where the desired panel location is a significant distance from the point of entry, there are typically two main options to consider. Firstly, mounting a fuse disconnect in the basement. This option allows for the panel to be located farther away from the point of entry, but requires a fuse disconnect for safety. The fuse disconnect acts as a main shutoff, providing a means to de-energize the panel in case of an emergency. Secondly, running a conduit outside the house. This option can be used to route the electrical line from the point of entry to the desired panel location, but it must adhere to the NEC requirements for buried conduit. This method involves encasing the electrical conductors in a protective conduit and burying it underground. When considering a conduit run outside the house, there are several NEC requirements that must be followed to ensure safety and code compliance. 1. Conduit type. Use the Schedule 80 PVC or equivalent conduit for underground installations. Schedule 80 PVC conduit is thicker and more durable than Schedule 40 PVC conduit, providing better protection for the conductors against physical damage. 2. Depth of burial. The conduit must be buried at a minimum depth of 18 inches in residential areas. This depth helps protect the conduit from damage caused by digging, landscaping, or other activities. 3. Connection to panel. The conduit must terminate in a weatherproof box or enclosure at the panel location. This ensures that the electrical connections are protected from the elements and prevents moisture from entering the panel. In addition to these NEC requirements, there are other considerations to keep in mind when determining the best location for an electrical panel. Check with local building officials for specific distance requirements and interpretations of reasonable distance. Local codes may have stricter requirements than the NEC, so it's important to verify compliance. Ensure that the conduit installation meets all applicable NEC requirements for safety and durability. This includes proper support, secure connections, and protection against physical damage. Consider the convenience and accessibility of the panel location, especially in emergency situations. The panel should be easily accessible for maintenance, repairs, and troubleshooting. The choice between a fuse disconnect and a conduit run depends on the specific circumstances of the installation. A fuse disconnect may be a better option if the distance between the point of entry and the desired panel location is excessive, or if there are concerns about the safety of running a conduit underground. A conduit run may be a better option if the distance is not excessive and the installation can be done in accordance with the NEC requirements. Regardless of the option chosen, it's important to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that the installation is done safely and in compliance with all applicable codes.